Good morning. Myself saniya, and my mini project is examination control system. Firstly, I have created a database my exam for my project examination control system. Uh, this is my first page of the project. For here, uh, we get different pictures, and next we have the 4 pages: home page and the how it works, about us, and contact us. Home page. In home page, we have the 4 modules: login for the test takers, and login for the administrator, registration for the test takers, and registration for the administrator. If we have, if we want to register, we can register by this requirements. I have already registered, that's why I'm not registering. I'm login by administrator here. Mm, If we want to see our password, we can click here. And if we forget our password, then we click here. If we want to go back to the home page, then click to this. I'm entering to the dashboard of the administrator. That is login. Uh, that is login. I already registered. That's why it's already login. When you sign in, automatically you get the register id. This is the register id. I have get it automatically. And it also mentioned the instructor id. If and next, each group has automatically has a group token. If we created a group from this option, by this full requirements, all film these are the some rules for the creating the group. If we have get one mistake, then it not be created. All field must be filled up. You can start the total question, and you have option to show the limited questions for the exam. You can set up how long exam should be running through the setting time. The exam running time, and time per question count, minutes and second, time for the format respectively. uh, First, group name, whatever we can give, exam name, total question numbers, and questions for the exam. Out of 10, how much will be written for the exam. This is minutes for the examination running time. That is, I'm setting 10 minutes per question. I'm giving 120 seconds. And this is the time format is a compulsory. If we have mistake, then it will won't be create. Add a group. Invalid start time format. If we have get this wrong, give the starting time is wrong, then it will not, it will won't take or create the group. This I already created. In this we get the 4 options. I have created 3 groups. In this, with this both I have already finished exams. So I am viewing in this. If we finish the exam, that will be shows who give the exams, to number of students, student name, student roll number, student's email id, student department. And if we want to delete this, we can delete. By seeing the result, we can see how questions are written, and sorry, right or wrong. And this is the marks for the questions. This is another option: add the questions. Add questions. If you want, this is new taking exam option. First, add questions, and then this is the in these 2 options, multiple questions or true or false questions. In multiple questions, we can add first year question. What what is HTML? If we want to choose any image for this, we can choose by this option. And first design for the web, we give four options here. This is the text editor. Any options we can give, but in this we have write the correct answer for the question, then it will be set as a question added successfully. In this showing what is HTML image. If we uploaded image, then it show here. If you want to delete questions, we can delete also. This another true or false questions we can add over here by adding question. What hmm, this is true or false statement, true or false. Correct answer is true. Add the question here. True false questions will be added. And next, and we want to edit, we can edit the group or questions, maybe whatever this group name, exam name, total questions for any option will be edited by this option. If and then next we can log out here by this option. And next login for the test takers, students login. I won't have register for this. First I am registering. Register here, giving first name, username and password. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, your username or email ID will be already registered. That's why change the email ID. We if already registered, then it won't be taken. That's why it's showing like the user or email ID is already registered. I'm adding login. This is registration successfully. I'm logging. Login. In this login form also we have the two options: forget password and back to page. If you want to go back, then we go back from this page. This option I already explained. Next, this is the students dashboard. Here if you want to connect to group, we have the options, and we can add this all group token that we get from the uh, administrator. Instructor ID also we can get from that only. uh, we can fill here name, roll number, email ID, department, and add a group. That's it. That much options are in our test takers. If you want to contact us, we can fill this form. Your name, your email ID, your subject, and your message, and send a message by this. This is the contact. And next, how it works in our project. We have written how it will be work. All the options we get here. How will work first, login from the, these all options are written here. How it will be going to the next page, or login for the administrator and the login for the participant. In about us, we have written this is our project will be secure and private, easy to define. These are advantages for our project. No software installation is required. Create assistant to help them manage your account. Result automatically granted and viewable in a real time. That's it. And we can first code for our project, that is by HTML. We we style our index by the or our sheet by the style sheet CSS. These are the link here given. And next, this link, this how it work, about us, contact us, these options are created in this. And this is written, the questions, and this is the written for how it will be about us, the options about page. And these are the advantages have written by this code, paragraph and all. And if we want any code of this project, we can click right click and view page source. It will directly display all the code here. This is how it work page, that is written by these options, like paragraph, and how it will written these steps here. And this contact us code also. This is our code. If we want to remove this, uh, only see this, and we can add back option also by this removing in source code. By these options, we can delete and add another option, and value is submit button, sorry, back button. Value is here we can add another button, that is back also, by changing the code. That's enough. This is our project.